Hello guys, this is Ed, and today I'm going to review one of my favorite on-ear wired headphones. These are the V-MODA. V-MODA is known for their excellent quality, superior build, and crisp sound. Their headphones have been used the world over by professional producers and DJs around the world. Now, I know that larger headphones are the flavor of the day, but sometimes you just want a good compact set of headphones you can throw in your gym bag, purse, or backpack. As these can fold into a rather small size, you will find these headphones will never leave your bag of choice. And they never leave mine. Actually, anywhere I go that I carry a backpack, I'm sure to throw these in. These have been my go-to headphones, honestly, for the last 3 years. And among my collection, these are the ones that I go to every time I hit the streets. In addition to their professional sound, V-MODA's service, presentation, and packaging is no exception, as their products are always shipped in the best packaging possible. Now let's talk a little bit about the headphones. The headphones are sturdy and they really don't feel cheap in your hand. These headphones have been under military grade testing for quality, durability, and reliability. They are built with military grade construction, with a steel frame, that allows for these to really take a beating and not lose their shape or fit. They have a steel flex headband that can withstand up to 10 flat bends. Now, as I mentioned, these can fold into a nice, small, compact size. And what makes that possible is their click fold hinge. And I believe that's a proprietary term used by V-MODA, as their two foldable metal horseshoe mechanisms right here allow these to fold so small that they can actually fit in your hand. The hinge is really well built, giving you a satisfying clicking sound. Hear that? Letting you know that they are locked tight into position. On the outside, you're going to see metal plates covering up each ear cup. V-MODA calls these air shields, and the cool thing about these is that they're customizable and replaceable. When you buy from V-MODA, you can submit your own image to have them engraved if you want, or go with the many stock colors they have to offer, as I did. I picked these red shields to give a nice contrast against the matte black because, well, red's my favorite color. All they wear is quite comfortable, as the headband and ear cups are soft, making you forget that you're wearing these headphones. The memory foam cushions encircling the cups hug the ear like small pillows, and they allow for long, comfortable listening sessions. I can honestly say that I've worn these headphones for over 5 hours at a time, and I didn't have the usual fatigue that you'll find with other over-the-ear headphones. Honestly, guys, these really have been so comfortable. Sometimes I forget I have them on. These headphones also have a nice build, and they're really head conforming, as they gently sit on the head without crushing your scalp. Hence their tagline, "Mind the Gap," where their low profile eliminates large gaps between the headphones and your head. The overall small frame provides a form-fitting feel to provide a secure fit without any lingering discomfort. The included cable is Kevlar reinforced, making it strong, durable, and V-MODA actually reports that it can withstand over 1 million bends. Now, I haven't actually tried bending this a million times, but as I've had this for some time, I can attest that, yeah, that's strong. The microphone, as you see here, is about 4 inches down the cable. And the calls are pretty clear, even in really noisy, loud surroundings. The remote is about 12 inches down, allowing you to easily answer or end calls. Now, the cool thing about these headphones is that allows it to be connected to either the right or the left side of the headphone. V-MODA also provides a little socket protector here so that when the other one's not in use, you don't get any dust or grime built in on that. But the extra available socket is good for plugging in a second pair of headphones. Powering these headphones are two 40mm drivers that put out some rich sound. As soon as you place these headphones on your ears, you're instantly hit with a sound that is balanced, crisp, and neutral. The tonal balance from lows to highs is extremely satisfying. The clarity is top-notch, and actually the best I've experienced in such a small form factor. Vocals and instruments are super clear, allowing for an immersive sound signature. These may not be big on bass, so they're not going to rattle your head, but bass is definitely present and quite punchy. Treble response is not harsh or sharp, but instead smooth sounding. Overall, these are incredible clear and smooth sounding headphones with exceptional tonal balance, making them good for all types of music. So, now that I told you a little bit about the build, the feel, you're probably wondering, how do they sound? I want to cue up some music, and I'm going to put these to the microphone so you guys can hear the quality. So that's the sound. One important thing to mention that may bother you, doesn't really bother me. Here are the headphones closed. As you can hear, there's some noise bleed. So if that bothers you, then that's something to take into consideration before purchasing these. But overall, these are definitely a pickup because it's always nice to have a nice handy portable pair of headphones that you can just throw in a backpack or a purse. Well guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, well, by this time you know what to do. And one thing to remember is hit the notification bell so you will be alerted to more videos when they drop. So until next time, Dad out. I'm gonna go listen to some music. Bye. Don't want a complication.